1963 Chevy Impala. I'm Jason with Rolling Museums, where your dream car is one call away. Let's check her out. The interior on this Impala is a 10 out of a 10. Absolutely beautiful. No tears, rips, stains, anywhere. Absolutely beautiful. Lower dash is in great shape. It has no opportunities. She reads just over 70,000 miles. Driver door is in excellent shape. It just has some cracked paint down at the bottom, but she's very solid down there. This car does have good floor pans, but the braces will need to be replaced. But other than that, she's very solid under there. Check out the passenger door. Just some cracked paint, but she's very solid. The deck lid is in excellent shape. It has no room for opportunities. It's absolutely amazing. Checking out the trunk floor. She's very solid. Just a minor surface spots that can be knocked down with a wire brush, but nothing cancerous or anything. It's absolutely beautiful. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a few aftermarket goodies. She has a 5.4 liter, 327 cubic inch small block Chevy V8 rated at 300 horsepower. It's a high compression motor and what they call screamers. So you got power steering with manual brakes. This how you want them, nice and clean. The paint is a solid 8 out of a 10. It has minor blemishes that you wouldn't even see from 3 feet away. Nice candy paint with flakes. She bad. No, the Chevy Impala was very popular. In fact, it was one of the best US made selling cars of all time. And it's because of its styling. It's like minor stuff like that you can barely see that you gotta get all the way up on it to tell. It's just minor blemishes like that. But driving it or just walking by it, you won't be able to tell. It'll be a 10 out of a 10 paint job. I like the 2-door hard tops a lot because they don't have a B pillar. Once you roll the window down, you can see right through them. It's beautiful. Let's start her up. Fire right up. She runs good, guys. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this 1963 Chevy Impala. I sure did. It's priced right at $29.95. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. And remember, at Rolling Museums, your dream car is one call away.